Need to take temperature readings on electrical panels, motors or hot surfaces, but can't touch them? This is the TM500 from KPS, a digital infrared thermometer made for quick, safe and contact-free measurements. The TM500 reads temperatures up to 500 degrees with a laser pointer and a 10:1 distance to spot ratio. What does that mean? For every 10 centimeters away, you're measuring just 1 centimeter in diameter, perfect to pinpoint accuracy without getting too close. It's got a backlight display for low light areas and functions like Max, Min and Pro. So you can log peaks, compare readings or monitor thermal trends easily. But it's not just temperature. It also measures relative humidity, which is super useful for server rooms, distribution cabinets or ventilation zones. Need Celsius or Fahrenheit? It switches instantly. And if the screen changes too fast, just freeze the data with the hold function and review calmly. The TM500 is made for techs who don't guess. They aim, scan and know.